example of 5 input K-map. Now let's look at this. Let's say we have a function with 5 variable a, b, c, d, e, and we have the expression given, that is minterm 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 10, 13, 14, 18, 21, 22, 24, 26, 29, 30. So these are the values given. Now we don't have a K-map for 5 variables, but what we can do is we can take 2 4 variables. Let's draw that one. Let's say we actually take two 4 input K-maps. Okay. Okay, now I have created two 4 input K-maps. Here what we do is we put this one as BC, DE, BC, DE, and this one is when a is equal to 0, and this one is when a is equal to 1, and this is going to be 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Here I have something extra. I'm going to erase this. Okay. Okay, so this is also 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, now let's go and assign the locations. Here we have, like, you have to think like a 5 numbers. So this is 0 in front, so this doesn't affect anything. So this is going to be 0 0, that is 0 0 0 0 1, that is 1, and then 0 0 1 0, that is 2, 0 0 1 1, that is 3, and here 0 1 0 0, that is equivalent to 4, 0 1 0 1, that's equivalent to 5, and then 0 1 1 1, that is equivalent to 7, 0 1 1 0, that's equal to 6, 1 1 0 0, that's equal to 1 1 0 0, that's 1 1 0 0, that's equal to 12, and 1 1 0 1, that's equal to 13, and then 1 1 1 1, that's equal to 15, 1 1 1 0, that's equal to 14, 1 0 0 0, that is equal to 8, 1 0 0 1, that's equal to 9, 1 0 1 1, that's equal to 9 plus 2, that's 11, 1 0 1 0, that is equivalent to 10. Okay, so this is the location for this 4 input K-map. Now let's look at this one. Here you have to think like you put the 1 in front, like 1 0 0 0 0. You can see this is 16, so this location is 16. You have to do this for everything and find the value. So when you do that, you're going to get 16 17 18 18 19, and then 20 right here, 21 22 23. If you want to quickly do it, you can see this pattern. Like if you look at this K-map, here we have 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this also increased like that. So if you recognize this pattern, it's going to be easier to do this one. Okay, so after 22 we are going to have the 23 right here, and then 24 25 26, and then 27 right here, 28 29, and then 30. Okay, so that's basically it. Now the next Next thing is we have to just plug the, okay, wait a minute, because 2 power 5 I have to have maximum of 31, because if 32 is the maximum variable, 31 is going to, if we have 32, 2 power 5 32 variables, the 32 location, it means the maximum, the total number we are going to have is 31, because it starts from 0. So 0 to 31 is going to be 32 numbers. So I am not getting 31. So it means I made a mistake here. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And this one is 24. Okay, this one should be starting from 24. Okay. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, now let's go ahead and plug this given information, given minterm values in the K-map. Here, what does it minterm mean? These are locations of ones. So at 0 we have a 1, at 1 we have a 1, at 2 we have a 1, at 4 we have a 1, at 5 we have a 1, at 6 we have a 1, at 10 we have a 1, at 13 we have a 1, at 14 we have a 1, at 18 we have a 1, at 21 we have a 1, at 22 we have a 1, at 24 we have a 1. That's a 24. Right, at 24 we have 1. At 26 we have 1. At 29 we have 1. At 30 we have 1. Okay, that's it. And others are going to be 0. So let's not worry about zeros, because we are interested in writing the sum of product expressions. For that one, we only need the sum of product expressions. For that one, we only need the ones. Okay. So let's combine them together. Let's see the ones here, and here you can see we have 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So you have to think like this one is on top of the other one. Like these are on top of each other. So if you see both of them are same, if you see two of them in the same location, you can connect them together. So here I'm going to show you how. So if I take this 4, I can connect with this 4 as well. If I take these 2, I can connect with these 2 as well, because these two things are exactly same as here. So these are on top of each other. So we can connect them and make this one as 8, make this one as 4. So one at a time, okay? So this one, I take the 8 first and write the expression for it. Okay, let's try the expression for this one. So what's changing? Here we have A is 0, A is 1. So A is gone, because if we have A in 2 locations, it means it's changing. So it's not going to be in the equation. Here B and C are changing. We have B going from 0 to 1, C going from 0 to 1, and stuff like that. So B and C also gone. D and E, you can see this is the same row. So D and E is going to be 1 and 0 all the time. So D and E going to be coming into our equation. So here D is 1, so D is going to remain the same. E is a 0, so we have to do a complement for it. And after that, you can look at anything that is matches to here, this K-map and this K-map. Is there anything else matching? Only these two are matching, right? These two are matching. I'm taking these two, so this is going to be combination of 4. So you have to always look for 8 first. I haven't taken care of this 8, and there's no other 8 possible. So that's why I'm looking for 4 next. So I got the 4 right here, and for this one A is changing, because we have A is 0 here, A is 1, so A is gone. And then if you look at B and C, here we have B is equal to 0, and b is equal to 1. So b is changing, c is not changing, c is 1 in both of them, so c is going to be included. And if you look at d and e are not changing because it's in the same row, and d is 0, so I had to do a complement for it. So this is going to be d naught, and then we are going to have e remain as it is. And let's look at the other. Here I can connect these to these as 4. So if I do that, what's changing and what's not changing? And here you can see this is only in the a is equal to 0, so a is going to be there. Since a is equal to 0, we have to do a complement for it, so it's going to be a complement. And then b is not changing, b is 0, so I have to do a b complement as well. C is changing, so it's going to be gone. And then d remains the same. If you see, d is 0 0, so it's going to remain the same. And since d is 0, I have to do a complement for it. E is changing, e is 0, changing from 0 to 1, so it's going to be eliminated. So that's the expression for this one. And here we have just one left right here. Can I connect this one with anything else? The bigger one I can make from this one is 2, because if I connect this one and this one, it's going to be 2 right here. And for this one, this is in the same column. Here b is 1 all the time because it's in the same column, so b is going to be there. And then c is also not changing, c is 0 all the time, so c is going to be there. And then since c is 0, I put a note for that. And if you look at d and e, d is 0 to changing from 0 to 1, so d is going to be eliminated. And then e is remaining the same, e is 0, so this is going to be e naught right here. And I forgot to put one more thing, that is a, because this is only occurring in this this K map, so the a is equal to 1 also going to be there. And that's our final expression. That's how we can do a K map when we have 5 variables provided. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on my next video.